Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts or recents, that depends on who would you like to block, and then select the number that you would like to block. In my case it will be my contact Tony. Then scroll down a bit, and here you will notice block this caller function. Simply click on it, and now confirm that you would like to block this contact. Just be aware that you will not receive any phone calls, messages or FaceTime from people on the blacklist. Click on block contact, and that's it. From now on, Tony will not be able to reach you. Then if you would like to unblock this number, if you would like to remove it from your block list, click on Tony one more time, scroll down to the very bottom and click on unblock this caller. And that would be all. That's how you can block and unblock the caller in iPhone 11 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.